Hi Barbie dolls! I'm Azusa Barbie, Barbie lover in West Hollywood. Thanks for watching my video. Today I'm in Barbie kitchen, but I'm sorry I'm not doing cooking today. I'm doing a little DIY. I have this really cute Barbie pink pan, and I have more pans, 5 pans. If I put this in my cabinet, of course my kitchen look more organized and clean, but you know, these are too cute to put in cabinet, don't you think? So I kind of want to hang these on my kitchen wall. So I needed some cute hook, but I could never find heavy duty cute hook which could match to my Barbie kitchen. What I got is this metal hook. I ordered this from Amazon. So today I want to paint these into pink. First, I want to buff surface of metal. You know, usually I think people use sandpaper, but I don't have sandpaper here, so I'm using nail buffer. This is like my version of Barbie style DIY, using nail buffer instead of sandpaper. So I think it will work, right? I buffed it. I will wipe off and take the all dust off. Now these are ready to paint, and I have to go outside because I'm gonna paint with this spray. It smells bad. It's better doing outside. I put some tape on the back of the hook so it will stay. So it's been more than a couple hours, and look how they are. They look pretty good, right? I did a pretty good job. Because of the angle, this part is still like silver, but I really don't mind because you don't see at all when you use it as a hook. Cannot wait to put these on the wall and hang my cute Barbie pink pants. I want to hang these 3 here. So take these off. Well, don't worry, I'm gonna hang these on another spot. Drill, don't ask, we can do this Barbie dolls. Uh-oh, it's a little crooked. This is awesome. Yeah. Let me hang it. Cute. You know, it's kind of crooked, but I don't care. I really don't care. I'm not picky, you know. It works. Totally works. You know, it's almost like a cute dot on the wall. Perfect. This time, it's not even crooked. It's like perfect look. Yeah! Oh my god, I'm getting so excited. And the biggest one. I don't use this one, but I'm getting so good. Now I am like, I know like what size of screw I should use, or like I just know it better now. Do you know why I got better? Because I'm doing by myself. I think the secret for getting better with something is you just need to experience. Well, of course I ask for some help sometimes, but most time I try to do by myself. After I tried by myself, and if I couldn't do it, and then I finally ask for some help. I don't ask for help from the beginning. I feel like that's kind of lazy. This a little crooked. Alright. And let me hang this, my last piece. Yay, I did it! Now even this hidden space looks cute and more organized. I love the
pink hook on the wall.
Thanks for watching my video. I hope you like my video. Subscribe my channel and follow me on Instagram. Hope you have fantastic Barbie day. Bye.